Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA G22 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down in order to find the passwords and accounts. Of course, if you want to, you can use the Google section, but to be honest, I prefer this one. So let me tap on it. And as you can see, here we've got the section with the accounts for the owner, and we do not have any accounts added. So let's start with it. Let's add the account. Tap on Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. So you can see you can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What is more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. All right, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, if you want to, you can read it, just tap on it and you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Not now in my case, of course, but I highly recommend to use a backup email or something like that. Here we've got the information about the backup, just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, if you want to, you can remove it whenever you want to, basically. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. However, be aware that probably if you've got the screen lock or the fingerprint added, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manage the Google account in your NOKIA G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.